How was this edifice originally designed by the famous Italian architect Brunelleschi, and how did it evolve over the centuries? Thanks to 3D modeling and virtual reality, we'll be able to discover our cultural heritage like traveling through time.
The Istituto degli Innocenti in Florence is a 15th century Renaissance children's orphanage, the first of its kind. And it's Italy's guinea pig for the Inception project, developing a cultural heritage database using 3D imaging. Researchers at Ferrara's University are hard at work creating 3D and 360-degree surveys.
We're creating a point cloud survey. That is, we're acquiring a set of spatial coordinates with millimeter precision, to which we also add data on color. This will be the starting point for a three-dimensional modeling, where we will interpret the individual objects that make up a building.
It's the first step on a journey through a key architectural artifact from the Renaissance. The goal of the project is to enhance our understanding of our cultural history and our buildings in the most innovative ways. And to do that, the historical data needs to merge with the main visual features of the subject.
Ogni edificio è unico.
Each building is unique and has its own identity, which we want to transmit to future generations. So each one of them needs to be documented in a different way. This will result in models able to tell stories through different types of sources, such as documents, tales, songs, and traditions.
Immateriali, come per esempio narrazioni, canti, tradizioni.
Inception's main challenge was using all the existing technologies and putting them together to create the conditions to improve access to cultural heritage and its understanding. The Inception database will be an open platform. Users will be able to consult data, to study them, and also to download them.
E gli utenti della piattaforma potranno vederli, visitarli, imparare a conoscerli, ma anche scaricarli.
It's hoped the project will greatly improve the documentation of Europe's cultural and architectural heritage. The information gathered and processed by the researchers will also help develop new tools to understand how historical buildings were designed. And users will be able to explore them in a completely new way, virtually and remotely.
We put all the data we've got on our platform. By matching the historical information and the 3D modeling, we can understand the evolution of the model. For example, we can understand what that location was like when Brunelleschi designed the building and how the square has changed across time in relation to the building itself.
Inception's technologies will be tested at various sites across Europe. The final output will be accessible to the public through augmented and virtual reality devices, computers and smartphones, via a special app. The result, anyone will be able to immerse themselves in some of Europe's precious cultural heritage.